What's up, everybody? Want to do a quick video here about the Deluxe Tinker Swiss Army knife. And I'm only doing it because I got this knife for like $30 on eBay. It had the custom scales on it, blue scales, Swiss Bianco scales. I'll put a little slide up here. But anyway, I really like this knife. The reason I got it was because I'd never had one with the pliers. Okay. The pliers are like heavy-duty scissors. They're basically the same mechanism. I kind of wondered whether I would use the pliers or not, but I've been carrying this knife for about a month now, and I have used the pliers. What the hell? What do you want? So anyway, some of the other features on this knife: large blade, small blade. You've got the Phillips head screwdriver there, the hook, the punch. It's got the scissors. If you've seen any of my Swiss Army knife videos, you know the scissors are my favorite tool. So, toothpick, tweezers. It's really a good knife. I've been enjoying carrying it. A little bit heavier than the Huntsman. But it's got the pliers. No wood saw. But just wanted to throw that out there in case anyone is unfamiliar with the Deluxe Tinker by Victorinox.